Hey there, guys! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of tech and find the best gear for you. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my review of the CyberPowerPC Gaming PC Intel. This beast of a machine has been crushing it in gaming and productivity, so let's take a closer look at what makes it tick. First off, let's talk about the brain of this operation, the Intel Core i7-14700F 2.1 GHz 20 cores processor. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what does that even mean? Well, in simple terms, this processor is like a super fast computer within your computer. It's got 20 cores, which means it can handle way more tasks at the same time without slowing down. That's perfect for gaming, video editing, and pretty much anything else you throw at it. But what really gets me excited about this processor is its speed. With a base clock of 2.1 GHz, it's one of the fastest consumer-grade processors out there. And with its 20 cores, you can expect smooth performance even when handling demanding games or multitasking. Trust me, this thing can handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's talk about the graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics. The graphics card, often the most important component of any gaming PC. And this one is no exception. With its impressive 8GB of memory and RTX technology, you can expect silky smooth performance in even the most demanding games. But what really sets this graphics card apart is its compatibility with newer games. If you're looking to play titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Assassin's Creed Odyssey, this card will handle them like a dream. And with its dual DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, you can connect it to your monitor without any issues. Moving on to storage, we've got the 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the difference between an SSD and a regular hard drive? Well, let me tell you, this is where speed comes in. The PCIe 4.0 interface ensures that your files load up in seconds, not minutes. And with its NVMe technology, you can expect even faster loading times. But what really gets me excited about storage is the impact it has on gaming performance. With a fast SSD like this one, you can expect smoother gameplay and less lag. It's like having a rocket ship for your files, they load up in seconds. Now, let's talk about connectivity. We've got 1x USB-C 3.2, 3x USB-A 3.2, 4x USB-A 2.0, 1x LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. That's a lot of ports, guys. And with the USB-C 3.2 port, you can connect your latest devices without any issues. But what really gets me excited about connectivity is the future-proofing it provides. With USB-C, you can expect compatibility for years to come. It's like having a versatile tool that will adapt to your needs. Now, let's talk about audio, 7.1 channel audio. To be specific. Audio. It's one of those things that makes or breaks the gaming experience. And this PC delivers. With its 7.1 channel audio, you can expect immersive sound that'll put you right in the middle of the action. But what really gets me excited about audio is its impact on immersion. With surround sound like this, you can feel every kick and every shot. It's like being there yourself. Finally, let's talk about the case, the tempered side case panel with custom RGB lighting. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, RGB lighting? Isn't that just a bunch of flashy lights? Well, let me tell you, this is where aesthetics meets performance. The tempered side panel is not only stylish but also protects your components from damage. But what really gets me excited about the case is its customization options. With custom RGB lighting, you can personalize your PC to fit your unique style. It's like having a work of art that's tailored to your needs. And finally, let's talk about warranty and support, 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support. Ah, peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered for a year is one less thing to worry about. But what really gets me excited about warranty and support is the confidence it provides. With this PC, you can trust that you'll be taken care of in case anything goes wrong. So there you have it, guys, my review of the CyberPowerPC Gaming PC Intel. This machine has been a beast for gaming and productivity, and I'm confident you'll love it just as much as I do. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup or get into PC building, this is definitely one to consider. Want to check out the best price on this amazing PC? Click the link below.